In today's video, we are going to see how to make a lazy chicken recipe. For this, take some oil or ghee or some dalda in a pan. Along with it, I have already cleaned and I have soaked this chicken in coconut water for 10 minutes. I'm taking this. Take some chopped potatoes, chopped onion, and a chopped tomatoes. Now take a chopped chili in this, little bit of curry leaves, coriander and mint leaves. Along with this, little bit of a table teaspoon of chili powder, a table teaspoon of spices powder or garam masala powder. If it is not available, then you can add coriander powder and fennel powder in this, little bit of salt, a pinch of sugar, and now mix it well. Now heat a pan just for a minute. Now add little bit of turmeric powder, 4 to 5 pieces of garlic. Add little bit of water in this. How much water is required, that much you can add it, and just close it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if you open, the lazy chicken recipe is ready. If you know like this kind of recipe, just type in a comment box. We will try that recipe also. Try this recipe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.